In this video, let me show you how to fix Instagram verification code not received. So whenever you're trying to receive a code on your Instagram platform to log into your Instagram platform, you normally have a few options either to receive the code on the WhatsApp, SMS or the email address. So in this situation, you'd be able to see a similar screen. You can just tap on the try another way option and you need to choose the email address if you're not being able to receive the code on your phone or on your SMS. So by doing this first step alone, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, then what you need to do is switch to a desktop browser or a incognito window. So just open up a web browser on your mobile phone or on your desktop browser as well. Head over to instagram.com and try to see if you can receive the code there. If you're having issues receiving the code on the incognito or on the desktop browser as well, in this situation what you need to do is just wait out 24 hours for the security cooldown timer. If you have repeatedly tried to receive the code, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So you just need to wait out at least 24 hours before you try to receive the code again. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.